Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have a complex fraction 1 plus I times tan alpha all divided by 1 minus I times tan alpha, and we are to simplify this to a standard form like a plus bi. Now my friends, we have the identity, the trigonometric identity that tangent alpha is equal to sine alpha over cosine alpha. Let me use this first. To our expression, we have 1 plus I times alpha, 1 plus I times tangent alpha, which is sine alpha over cosine alpha, over 1 minus I times sine alpha over cosine alpha. Now, to get rid of this cosine alpha, we will multiply the both numerator and denominator by this cosine alpha. Let me do that. Then we will have cos alpha plus I times sine alpha divided by cos alpha minus I times sine alpha. This is very nice since these are actually you should be familiar with these expressions. Let me just write it again as cos alpha plus I sine alpha. In the denominator, we can write this as cos minus alpha. Since cos is an even function, you can make this plus I sine minus alpha, since sine is an odd function. Now, the numerator here is e to the power of I alpha, and the denominator becomes e to the power of I negative alpha. And if we subtract the powers, actually let me write it as e to the power of I alpha and e to the power of negative I alpha. If we subtract the powers, we will have e to the power of 2I alpha, or this is the same as e to the power of I times 2 alpha, and the standard form for this is cos 2 alpha plus I times sine 2 alpha. This is very nice since we have found actually the double angles up to the first expression. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.